How to track your SHEIN order. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can track your SHEIN order. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your SHEIN app or website. Then log in into your account. After you've done that, you can then head over to your accounts section. For that, go to the bottom right corner on me, and there you'll see my orders. Right besides my orders, you'll find view all option. Tap on that. After you tap on that, you'll find all of the orders that you have ordered. And from there, you'll find the unpaid ones, the processing ones, and so on and on. So this is basically how you can see your track option. So right here, when you'll find your all orders, you'll simply need to tap on track or view details to see your current status and tracking information. So from there, you can also find the tracking number, which you can later use on a third-party tracking site. And that's basically how you do it, guys. And that's all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye. Take care.